Hello guys, this is Nintendo here, and I'm sad because of what I heard today. That reminds me of the Wii U story that that happened in 2012, 2013. So yeah, I missed the train to the Wii U. So, and I'm sad to say that when I was little, I watched the Wii U trailer and I was amazed. I don't know if you, because I'm strong Nintendo fan. Anyway, but unfortunately, on my place where I live here, I can't tell you the city name, the exact city name, but in Thessaly somewhere. The people right here doesn't know what a Wii U is, so you know that. Why? Let me. So I don't know how to explain it, but all started in 2013 when I said, "Dad, I need a Wii U," and we go to the shop. It's like, it look at the box closely, says, it looks like a Wii, says, and I was little back then. I don't know how to explain that. That name is that. It has some cool things with what I was called gamepad. I don't remember what I called the Wii U gamepad. So basically, I did my best to tell that my cousin, which were neighbors back then, says, you can play online games. Why do you need a Wii U? It looks like a Wii. My mom says, "Oh, I already have the Wii." And man, I don't know, man. So, and in 2015, I missed the boat. So, you know, I was growing up, they not let me to buy any consoles, and you know, I missed the boat in 2015, 2016, somewhere back then when I got the laptop, says, yeah, you know, and now it's 2023, this shop is closing, and I don't. But then in 2024, says, I missed the boat. I would have so much fun with the Nintendo Wii U. It's like, Splatoon, Nintendo Land, Miiverse Plaza, whatever it's called. We're gonna miss some good experience like Miiverse, Mario Kart 8 is, of course, it's in the Switch, but you have to pay the monthly fee for P2P online play, which is like paying money to send a file over Bluetooth locally. So yeah, that's unacceptable. Anyway, yeah, and on April 9th, 2024, online servers shut down for the Wii U and 3DS, and it's like, yeah, now it's not worth much to buy a Wii U. I missed the train, so, the train kid with Wii U, kid with... God damn it. I can't talk. I'm so sad right now because what happened today. Me personally, because it's related to the Wii U thing that happened, because life is disappointment because of the, you have to, people don't understand something like about something on them when he thought I gifted a sex toy or something. It's like, that destroyed me for at least 1 week, so I don't know, man. Especially women right here. It's like, why? Especially in communism. I'm not going to get political, but that thing with communism destroyed me badly, and I can't speak on my parents that believe in communism because of that. I don't know, because it doesn't have strong belief, but it still has beliefs. So like, I can't name any country, sorry, because I will get flagged on the comments. But anyway, I'm saying that it's not fair to grow in a democracy age and you have to follow the rules of the communism parents. So that's so now I'm not going to buy a Wii U unless because you never know if community goes to, I believe, Pretendo, but right now Pretendo is it's like a baby now. It builds the blocks of what Pretendo killed. So yeah, but Pretendo, I'm waiting for the exception. What's called I can't say it properly. Sorry. I mean Jackson, not the Miiverse replacement. Right now it doesn't have much, and I'm waiting integration with Wara Plaza to kind of like Facebook recommendation. It go from exceptions post on Wara Plaza on the games that I like to make friends easier, like what it worked back in 2012 to 2017 when Miiverse was around. And yeah, let's hope for the best. I think Pretendo will achieve this with Wara Plaza and exception, because now it's in progress of building that block. I say in 2033 will be there, Pretendo with the original Wii U experience that Nintendo built. I don't know, correct me, but I think 2033 or 2035. I don't think any idea, because it's hard to build the legacy that the Wii U has. So that, look at, for example, the Reconnect 24 to Wii Link, like, how long take to have the damage channel on it. It discontinued in 2017. Yeah, but I don't know. I think 2033 I will get a Wii U. So if anyone knows the Pretendo progress that For I know that online play and other stuff works, but I'm interested in tracks. I'm also interested in transaction and integration with what the games I played with the see post from the games I like the most, like the Nintendo did back then in Wara Wara Plaza. So yeah, tell me what you think when Pretendo will achieve this. So you know, and let's hope for the best, I guess. Bye.